Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm doing this video to teach you how to use correctly the Honda Odyssey 2020 jack in case you get like a flat tire. So the first thing you're gonna do, you're gonna come here to your passenger side and you're gonna take off the mat. So right here in the floor compartment you're gonna find the spare wheel and the tools where is the jack and everything, which is this one. It has the wrench, the jack, and everything you need to replace your wheel. So you're gonna take the jack and you're gonna open it a little bit. That's it. You're gonna put it right under the car, and here underneath the car you're gonna see here it's like an open spot right here, you see, and you're gonna look for this metallic sheet support. So right here you're gonna put the jack and you're going to lift it until it makes contact with this metallic support, and there we go. What I have to do now, you have here this rod. It has like a hook shape, and you have the wrench right here. You're gonna take this rod and you're gonna put the hook inside the hole, and then you're gonna use this kind of shape that your wrench has, and you're gonna put it right in the rod, and then you're able to turn it, and then you're lifting the car. So easy, right? And that's it. That's it. The same you have to do to put it back down the car, and that's it. Okay guys, if you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. As always, thank you for watching, subscribe to the channel, and see you next time. Bye bye.